Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome with an update on Avalanche. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price of Avalanche has broken down the support of a falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame, then you can see that after the breakdown, we had a big drop. And the price then also broke down this very long-term uptrend line support. If you take a look at this target for this breakdown, that I was telling you in my previous videos as well. That expected target was here, approximately at $20.99. And you can see that the price then has almost hit that target because it was dropped up to $21.20, very close to hit that target. And now after that, it is recovered back and now it is trying to break out this downtrend line resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this downtrend line resistance was previously breaking as a very strong resistance here in the month of November 2021. Then we had another rejection here, another rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. Right now, you can see that on the 7 day time frame chart, so far the price end could not break it down. We had a long spike, the downside, but the price end recovered back, and now again it is exactly moving at this support. However, on the daily time frame, we have broken it down. And in my previous video, I was telling you that this is a quite long-term support. Therefore, we can wait for the price end to close on the 7 day time frame chart. If the candlestick will be closed below the support on the 7 day time frame chart, then we can consider that it is completely broken down and then we can expect a further drop from here. So far, so good. The weekly candlestick, this is the second weekly candlestick that is not closed below this support, this downtrend line support. However, we have broken down this very long-term uptrend line support even on the 7 day time frame chart as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this recent breakout from this down channel. You can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this channel. We broke it out. We had a short pump, but the price was rejected by this resistance of $55. And we will also take a look at the very, very massive breakout that is happening on the 7 day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sonic, previously Phantom Coin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade setup I shared on 22nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price of Avalanche has recently broken down the support of a falling wedge pattern. Despite this pattern is considered as a bullish pattern, but this time we have broken down the support and we have almost hit the target for the breakdown. And after hitting the target, the price is now recovered back. And on the daily time frame chart, you can see that we have also broken down this downtrend and support as well. And right now, the price line is trying to break it out. However, this is a quite long-term support. Therefore, we can wait for the price line to close below this support on the 7 day time frame chart. You can see that this is a very long-term support coming from the month of November 2021. We got rejection here, and rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And now we have broken it out. And after the breakout, it can break as a strong support for the price line of Avalanche. By the way, we have completely broken down this uptrend line support that can now work as a very strong resistance. By the way, this support was coming from the month of September 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this time it can work as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Avalanche. Now here you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern as well, the small falling wedge. Not the wedge, this is the down channel. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this was the channel that we have been watching previously as well. And after the breakout, the target was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $65. And so far, the price could not hit that target. We were very close to hit that target, but the price is rejected by this long-term resistance of $55. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $55 has been previously breaking as a very strong support here, resistance here. And again, it worked as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of Avalanche. Now, if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that long-term target will be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.